Welcome to Arabic Academy in the USA. Today we're gonna talk about the letter number 6 in Arabic, letter Ha. Ha. This is how you pronounce it. Ha. Like how it comes in Alhamdu. Alhamdu. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahim. So now I prepare here how we gonna draw it. We start in point number here, number 1, let's say, and ending, or this is, let's say, point A to point Z. Okay, that's how we draw it. Up, 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 right, 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 and then we have this like half circle. That's how we draw it. All right, let's say again. Up, right, half circle. This is Ha. This is a standalone letter, Ha. And this is how it comes in the first letter. Let's say Hamdan. We start like this. This is Ha, the first, the initial letter, initial word. And this is Ha in the middle. You know, we have multiple Arabic font. So this is Ha. Also, some people, they write it like this. This is in the middle. This is the first or initial. And then we can see this is in same thing at the end, or if we use this font, we can use this one. So Hamdan.